How to create a keyboard layout shortcut in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to quickly switch between installed keyboard layouts using your keyboard. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Time and Language. From there, click on Language and Region. At this point, click on the three dots next to your installed language. In the next step, select Language Options. Following this, scroll down to the Keyboard section and make sure you have more than one layout added. Once done, click on Add a Keyboard if you need to add another layout to switch between. From here, go back to the main language and region page, then click on Advanced Keyboard Settings, usually found nearby or under Related Settings. At this stage, click on Input Language Hotkeys. Keep in mind, select the specific shortcut you want, like Switch Keyboard Layout, then click Change Key Sequence to set a custom combination. Finally, click OK to save, then test your new shortcut by pressing it to confirm it switches between your installed keyboard layouts. And that's it! If this guide helped you create a keyboard layout shortcut in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!